WhatsApp is one of the most widely used instant messaging app. From chatting to sharing videos, pictures, and important files, WhatsApp has become an integral part of our lives now. Like many other online applications, WhatsApp does its best to keep its users' data private and secure. This platform is relatively safe with features such as one login at a time and two-factor authentication. However, hackers always have a way to access our personal data and information and then misuse them. And being one of the most popular chatting apps, WhatsApp can get hacked easily. Hackers can access your WhatsApp data by various means like WhatsApp web or registering your mobile number on other device. WhatsApp cannot work on two phones at the same time, but hackers, if register your mobile number on other device, can easily get hold of all your chats, including the personal ones. Hackers can quickly scan your WhatsApp QR code and access your WhatsApp conversation from anywhere in the world. So it is very important to keep a check on whether someone is using your WhatsApp or not. In this video, we'll tell you how to know if someone is reading our WhatsApp chat secretly. For this, the very first thing you need to do is to go to the three dots given at the top right corner of the WhatsApp window. Then go to the WhatsApp web and check the list of all open sessions. This will let you see all the devices that are connected to your WhatsApp. If you see a message that says this phone could not be verified, then this means that your WhatsApp has been accessed by an unknown device. If you see something like this, then you should immediately log out from all computers that you see in the list under WhatsApp web. This will stop hackers from reading your chats further. However, this should be done every time you use WhatsApp web. Let us tell you that hackers can also use third-party softwares to access your WhatsApp conversation. So it is time to make your WhatsApp safe and secure from all those hackers sitting out there to access and misuse your personal information and data. We hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to India.com.